Hey guys, this is me. And today I'll be showing you how to make some hand washing soap. Or not soap, but slime. So, it's normal slime whenever it's like, yeah, it's slime, right? But whenever you get your hands wet, this is any kind of liquid. I'm just using some contact solution. Didn't really get my hand wet enough, but it'll turn soapy. So, let's get started. So, for those of you who came for slime sounds, ready? Okay, so let's make it a circle because I like doing circles. Okay, so this is twisted peppermint from Bath and Body Works. And like any soap won't work. You have to have foaming soap, gentle foaming hand soap. Okay, so depending on how big your slime is or how fluffy you want it, I'm going to start out with just about mohawk. Now, it might seem really odd and gross at first, but I think it's really satisfying. Trying to do some slime sounds. So, I'll be doing a slime collection video next on my channel, so just keep watching, guys. As usual, thanks, and goodbye.